Hello, how are you doing? This is Jason Rigby, your local engineer for digital advertising in Albuquerque, New Mexico area. Want to talk to you really quick about retargeting. A lot of people will do ads and they put out all these cold ads, but what happens if somebody responds to the ad? What happens if somebody goes onto your website? What happens if somebody goes back to Google and searches something out? How are you retargeting these people? Let's say that you're own a real estate company in the Albuquerque area. Why not, if somebody's looking at a specific home, why not retarget them with that? So when they go and look at other things on the website, you're reminding them of that home that they looked at. Maybe you sell a certain product to other businesses, business to business. Why not bring that up? If they go to your website, why would you not want to bring them down lower in the funnel and collect that lead information, collect that contact information so your sales department can follow up? We are an expert at retargeting. We'd love to show you the capabilities of that. Please contact us below and we will set a consult appointment up with you so that we can go over it anytime. Thank you and have a great day.